We're here. Damn, I remember the days we had several people waiting. Threw all that away by taking our break. Alrighty. Need to pull up the news. 20th, it's a quad witching day or triple witching day or something like that. So should get some decent volatility today. Consumer sentiment at 10. Looks like that's the only thing. So we'll put this on here, even though we never obey it. We always get into a trade right before 10, even if I have a news marker on there. All right, got my bracket set. And copier's on. We've just been dumping. Oh, these past 4 hours we've been ripping. We're up 200 points from the low right there. Then we did have news at 8:30. What was that? Personal income, personal spending, PCE, core PCE. I don't know what the hell that is. Five-minute charts hitting some resistance up in this area. We went right to just about 21,000. That's what this is down here. That's what this point of control is. Didn't quite make it to 21 even. I mean, I would like to see us keep going. I think I enjoy selling off. What's up, Mikey? You guys play it all last night? I didn't play any video games yesterday. I had a freaking headache. It just kept getting worse. Did absolutely nothing. So pissed. I hate wasting days just laying around because my head hurts. Yeah, ES and NASDAQ are both stalling around here. I almost wanted to just take a short here, but we need to wait. No games. Joseph, are you here? Where is he at? Guess not. What's up, Gottfried? We got a news marker on here so we can enter a trade right before we hit it. That one's going to be for you later. It's supposed to make me not get into a trade, but it's like we get close to it and I just feel obligated. I have to get in. We'll see what we can do today. Yeah, maybe then I'll avoid that. If I find myself in a trade and then that line is creeping up, I need to just exit wherever it's at. We'll see if we can have a little more discipline today with the news candles or with the news markers. Ideally, I won't be in a trade around that time, but it's like, I don't know, something about that 30-minute mark or a 25-minute mark after being open. I just have to get in. I like on the 5-minute, NASDAQ made these higher highs, but ES didn't. I really like a short here. Let the record show we want to take a short at 21,200. Oh, I also need to figure out what our goal is on this account today. 24,258 minus 23,500, which is the minimum balance. Oh, so we've grinded this drawdown back to 758. It's pretty damn good considering we had like, didn't we have like 300, I think, the other day or something? So 10% is 75.80 plus 24,258. We got to get to 24,333. $24,333. If we shorted, I guess the stop would be up here. So I'm not going to take it. I just want to see if it works. The trades I don't take that I say I kind of want them to not work out. So then it's a win-win. If it does work out, I can say I called that trade. If it doesn't work out, I can say I didn't take it. Oh, we're open already? What am I waiting for? This wasn't moving yet. Oh, well, this is like a 40 point. Where the hell was it open at? I didn't realize we've been open for almost 4 minutes now. This doesn't look like it's moved 40 points. Yeah, I must have been, man, I was like way zoomed out. That's really screwed me before, being too far zoomed out, and I thought the candles were much smaller and I wasn't paying attention to the price, and I've taken some pretty gnarly losses. Oh, I'm not a fan of now ES going up there. The premise of that trade was that NASDAQ took out the highs and ES wasn't going to, so we were getting a divergence and then it would go down. So, and I'm not a fan of Delta just being like, I know price is flat right here. Get the hell out of here, Godfrey. God damn it. Just get out of here with that. We don't always short the bottom. We had really good trades this week. I know, it's all good. It's all good. There was a time, I think like back before but I feel like your name doesn't ring a bell that you watched me back before I stopped streaming, but when we were taking other trades, remember people would always give me a hard time because I freaking kept longing the tops and shorting the bottoms quite often. That was before I was on the tick chart too. Look at Delta taking out going up above all these highs, but we're not on price. I had to take that. That's farming. How you like that, Gottfried? How you like that? I don't think I'm gonna hold it though. Well, maybe. Just gonna take that. I don't like that. It's just stuck in this range. I don't think it could break lower, but with our target being beneath the range, I think it's more statistically possible because it's gonna stay in there. Oh, so I just gotta wait for the top. I gotcha. Just wait for the top. Sometimes I forget how easy it is, you know? I think that was a good read to not try to hold for the break. Like statistically, it's not going to break that time that I get in. This is kind of ugly. But we did just have a pretty gnarly move from 7:30. Between 7:30 and 8:30, moved 200 points. And then from 8:30 to now, it's just been going sideways. Hell yeah, Mikey. That's the best thing to do, is just get off the charts when you feel like you need to be done. Otherwise, they'll suck you right back in. You're trading 4 minis. I know what you mean. I'm sure that brought you into a. I'm sure that wiped out all your micro losses if you went to 4 minis. $80 a point. Damn. Going after this 300, I guess. I'm really not a fan of what this just did. So we were at like 70 when I said, I mean, it's clearly going after these highs on both charts. We could have just entered and rode that for 30, 40 points just like that, but I don't do that because where the hell would I put my stop at? Try to put my stop at, swings. The only swing would be way down here. All right, well, we took it out. See if this turns around now. Delta didn't go lower. Price did. That's good for shorts. Damn. It's definitely moving again today. Like this range, I keep thinking it's only like a 10-point range, but like that high to this low is 40 points. Pull back to 240. Potentially could pull back to anywhere in all that chop before the open. I mean, I want to see us keep going lower. I don't know if I'm gonna. We're just trying to vibe with the market. I was gonna say I don't know if I'm gonna try to go after points like we got yesterday. I'm just gonna take what the market offers and what we can get in, because going after those really big moves like 2 days in a row usually screws me. So if I can get 10, 20, 30 points, we'll take whatever. We had a really good week this week. No reason to go too hard today. It's Friday. I don't know what the hell the market's going to look like next week. Which, speaking of next week, I don't think I'll be streaming until Potentially not at all. If I do, it won't be till like Friday. Because I think we're leaving Sunday and coming back Thursday. So I'll probably be driving Thursday. Not trading on Christmas Eve. I'm pretty sure markets are closed Christmas Day. Might hop on the charts on Monday, but what is that gonna even look like? So potentially no trade. Maybe we should just take the whole week off. I don't know. We'll see. But that gives me time to work on. I'm cooking something up for you guys. I don't know if you guys have seen where traders on YouTube will like let chat decide different trades for an account. But I don't like the way that they've done it, because you have to wait for everybody to like vote or whatever they're doing, and then then the person has to actually click the buy button or click the sell button, and there's like such a huge delay between all that. And I just always thought that I could do it better. And I'm going to try my goal. I'm going to try to make a site where you guys can go on and click buy, sell, or flatten. And then I don't know all the rules or parameters around it, but basically that will be tied directly to a bot running on Quan Tower here for an account. So I don't even touch it. Just people voting on that site will be buying and selling. And I just think that would be interesting to see how that plays out. There won't be like limits and limit orders. It would just be everyone is. I think I want to have it so like more than half of you have to agree on like buying or selling. So we'll have a chart up. We'll just say like if this was like that account, once like 60% of the people click buy, then it would place a buy order. And then once 60% of the people say flatten, then it would flatten. Yeah, well, we'd have to have a certain percent of trolls, blocking the trade. So, or maybe I just give you guys like codes or something, so only certain people can participate, so we don't have just random trolls, trying to screw it up. Because then if you guys can pass an account, I'll pay for the activation fee, and if you guys get the payout, we'll give some of that money back. We can get back into giveaways again. But that'd be pretty dickish of me to have you guys trade an account, and if it got to pay out, then I take the money. I think I should get some of it since I built it. But I think that would be really cool. Plus, that's a lot better implementation if you guys literally controlled it. I would just get on and start the bot, get the website up and running each day. That way it's not running all night and stuff. Yeah, you guys build it up and I take a max payout and shut the channel down. Thanks. There's your 240. Oh, I was too busy talking, but look at that. God damn it. I guess it's okay because we already traded, but look at this divergence right here. It's perfect. Once that rolled over. Oh my God. There will be more opportunities. Not to worry. I think we go lower. I think we go back to the lows from 730. Although potential long in this area would be good. But if we see another short divergence play out, we will absolutely take it. Yeah, we came right back to that range, but hopefully we don't stay in it. Damn, that was such a good, like, it doesn't get much cleaner than that. And we had a target this range. That's what we would be targeting. Damn. Did we short the breakout of this range? We got news creeping up. If we keep it off screen, we can still stay in a trade. Price just dipped lower without delta. If this pulls back to 200, which I don't see it doing, maybe we'll short that. It's looking heavy. I want to see if price takes this high out. It did. It did before delta got up there. Glad I didn't short when it came back to 200. I decided not to because I don't there's no setup there. Sometimes trades work when you just get in them like that, but it's just reinforcing a bad habit, because one time it's not going to work, and then the problem is when those don't work, you get agitated and aggravated with yourself because you're like, God damn, why'd I even take that trade? And you're just like, F it, and you just start taking anything. And we're trying to avoid that. We need to take stuff where we can put a stop that says this trade is no longer valid, and we get out, move on to the next one. I should probably wait for news as well. Got 6 minutes. It just seems so far away. We could grab a 20-pointer real quick before then, right? That was VWAP, huh? Well, you got to let the VWAP testers have wins every once in a while, you know? Otherwise, they'll move on to the next on to the next indicator. Man, Delta is barely going up above this high, and look how far price went. Normally that tells me buying is stronger, which it obviously was because we went higher, but that I think once selling comes in, it's just gonna shove it back down. Hello, Knives. Or I mean, what's up, Knives? We'll just wait 5 minutes. It's not that long of a. If I can't wait 5 minutes, then I need to move on to a different field. Oh, we need to wait a little bit more. Got a couple minutes, then we can get into a trade. Look at it. We're just making new highs right here in this area, but Delta is staying pretty flat. All the shorters are just waiting for the news, and they're just gonna pour them in. It's going good. We're staying patient. We've had one green scalp so far. And then all these guys in chat made me freaking miss a short opportunity. You know, they were asking me all these questions and distracting me, so I missed it. I was too busy. I was too busy explaining something. I was too busy explaining something and missed it. Oh, we got to pay attention to that stuff. That should pop up on Financial Juice, right? Not as a scheduled thing, but let the record show I want a short here through the news move. Two minutes. I don't know if this is like a big thing. Got sellers coming in. up, McLovin? All right, Godfrey, we enter a trade right now. It's probably not even going to do anything. It's just going to do its little sporadic move real quick for a few points and then just resume trading. It's not nothing. Whoa. Yeah, we got in and out. We already won $1 million. Now it's going to go down. Took out those highs. I don't like prices going up without Delta. No, I don't want higher prices. I'm very tempted to short, but I feel like it's a bad decision. It's because I want just because I want to see lower prices and I want to short doesn't mean it's going to happen. It could happen, but I mean, I guess I could find a reason, but trying to find a reason to enter a trade is always a bad idea. Price just keeps going higher with not as much buying, which I mean, we're not going to go lower until there's strong selling. So I guess it looks okay for shorts. Delta's not climbing, but we just don't like how long is that going to last for until once this does start to go higher, it's just going to allow price to go that much higher than what it's already doing. So it could roll over here, but we don't have a good enough reason yet. And I guess I would have to have a stop like at the highs, 50 points. It's not worth it yet. Not worth the risk. Like Delta's nowhere near this high right here, but we're pretty close to it. less than 15 points now. 10 point. We're going after it. And we're 20 points from the highs as well. And Delta's nowhere near. Look how far away it is. We should just be longing right now. But then again, I don't know where to put the stop. So we wait. And that's okay, because we're not risking. We're not risking our account. We're not risking our emotions. We're not risking going into, God damn it. Should just be longing right now. We should just be longing. Should just get into a long. Just let it ride. We just went 40 points from when I said we should just long. NASDAQ took out the highs, but ES has not yet. And Delta just now, barely. Now it looks like this may go up for a while. Looking at the 4-hour chart, potentially back to 21.5 up in here. It's also only 10:07. Patience. I'm just going to open up a browser to distract myself for a little bit. Watching the charts, like, gives you a bad sense of time. Cancel some blown Apex accounts so they don't renew. With Apex, I mean, as long as it's a viable thing, I would rather just get the 25K accounts when they're on sale and hedge them to skip the whole eval portion. Because what we've been doing with this guy is working out pretty good. And if we were copy trading and we had like 10 of them, so like yesterday our goal was only $60, but you have 10 accounts, you still aim for that $60, but that adds up to 600 total. Just turning around now. ES failed to go up there. Keep going. Take that. Oh, and then it would have hit our take profit. We need. Whoa, somebody selling this? Okay. What is our? We got to get to our balance. We have to get to. What does this say? What does our balance say? Mine's like hidden. We need $2 and like 30 cents. Do we go for it? I mean, we're not going to get to 8 trillion next year if we don't hit 10% every day. So we did surpass our goal yesterday. I need to have a it's working, Knives. I need to have a spreadsheet that shows 10% every day and then what we're actually doing to see if we're ahead of it or behind, you know? Yeah, 230 is not much. I can just get like a 5-point scalp. We can do that. That'll be easy. $3. I could do 4 minis for 1 point. Get $80. Here's the thing, Knives. It's kind of working because the 10 okay, and also the 10 that 10% doesn't really work out because that means I can't ever take money out of the account. Once I take money out of the account, that 10% is now much lower because I'm not going to be working with the balance that's in there. For now, it's working because it's actually making me more conservative on my trades. Because today's goal was only $74. That is, who else out there is trading these prop firm accounts and aiming for $74? They're all trying to go way bigger and way harder. I'm putting one micro on the absolute smallest size you can trade, and I'm going for $70. No, yeah, I know that. I'm just listen. I don't know what else to say. I'm not saying I'm just not gonna say anything else. I'm gonna do what I think is best for I'm going to do what's best for me and my trading. And we all have different perspectives on money, on trading, on how we handle these wins and losses. So, what works for you may not work for somebody else. And this next trade is for you, Knives. I'm going for my $3. The good news is, well, there's no bad news. Everything's been good. Everything's good news right now. Since we are copy trading 5 times the size on all the other accounts, our new Phoenix account is up 357. This account is up 353. Oh yeah, we have 3 going, and then this account is up 352. That's what I like about copy trading, because if like I can just trade this account with 1 micro. What's up, Just My Style? I can trade with just 1 micro, which keeps all the emotions much lower because it's only 1 micro. And then in the background, assuming you can keep it like out of sight, out of mind, you can change the size and trade larger on other accounts and not worry about, you know, the 5 times the size P&L changes. I didn't realize that these guys were up almost $400 each. And then we added $72 to this one. But we're not done right now. Oh no. We've got $3 to make. Again, a divergence with price making the high and delta not. I don't like that. We need the other way around. Sorry, I got distracted looking at jobs. Where can we take our $3 from? We went almost 100 points down, 100 points up, and then range. I I guess a range would be good for a scalp because like you can go long or short and it's gonna just keep bouncing back and forth, right? Delta still has not broken through. Hasn't broken through the highs yet. Yet we're putting in highs. Just gotta wait. Have you guys taken any trades? I know Mikey was all done. What is it doing? Just getting ready for blast off. They're going higher. Oh, ES is already at that area that this is what I pointed out on Nasdaq's chart, where all these bodies on the 4 hour. Nasdaq still has 100 points to go. So I think it's gonna go up there. I guess it's just going right now. Put this stop at that guy right there. Come on, keep buying. This one like at least 400. Let's take it. Let's take it. We hit 333. There's 400. Frick. Oh, what? Who keeps getting out super late? I wasn't paying attention to the positions. One of these accounts is like, I hit flatten and then it gets out way later. All right. Goal has been hit. I honestly don't do that good on days we just grind up like this. So I think I just take that progress and keep it, you know? We could stop trading the funded account and just trade the evals, but I'm in no rush on those. We're in no rush on those because I don't want to. I mean, you got to pay an activation fee when you pass, and I'm not really looking to do that right now. Trying to get something set up right here real quickly. All right. There we go. Window. Boom. I mean, that looks pretty good, right? This is the PA account. So $80.94. This is that Phoenix Merit account, $397. This is Bulenox, I guess, $392. And then that Fedius account, $388. But oh boy, that's a lot of green. It's looking real good. But all right, you guys take it easy. If anybody's there, don't be saying a goddamn word. I probably won't I probably won't be on a stream until like next Friday, honestly. So if you guys are, if I trade at all, oh, you're all good, Mikey. um, if I take any trades like on Monday next week, I'll just post them in the Discord or my progress or whatever. If anybody even freaking cares, I don't know. What's a question mark for, Nice? Oh, damn. You were trading London? Oh, yeah. You guys have a good, whatever holidays you guys are celebrating next week. How did that, what, I don't like how you're saying you were attempting. How did it go? There's that freaking, it went right to 500. I drew this out such a long time ago, but I'm not looking for those types of trades anymore. But damn. I see. Yeah. Guess that's a good thing. Minus 300 isn't anything. All right. Well, GG's, guys. I'll see you all sometime next week. You guys all have a good weekend and good Christmas or whatever other holiday. Later, everyone.